What's up guys, welcome back to another Salomon Brothers DIY video. I'm Adil and I'm the videographer, social media manager here at Salomon Brothers. And today we have two awesome vehicles behind us. We have two of the same vehicles, M850i's. One is particularly special in regards to the fact that it's actually a first edition, a 1 of 400 first edition. It has awesome extras like carbon pieces, the matte paintwork and a different interior. Carbon pieces you can see on the fronts, on the intakes, on the roof, rear lip spoiler and on the rear diffuser. And in terms of the interior, there were two options for that, but really cool differences on these vehicles. This one here has had a gloss black wheel paint job that really brings out everything else in the whole vehicle and it looks stunning. Anyways, let's get down to it. We have badge overlays to put on these vehicles. I'm going to be putting prop badges on the white 850i and I'm going to be doing the M850i numericals on the rear along with the X and the M badges for the side of this vehicle. So let's get down to it, guys. Right, so now we're at the rear of the M850i. That's the 1 of 400 first edition, and the reason we're not going to do propeller badges because this is the 50th anniversary edition, so it has the 50th anniversary badges. So we're just going to leave those off for now. We're going to straight up hit the M850i, the X, and then the M. Alright guys, as you can see, that was fairly simple, proper DIY, and yeah, pretty awesome. 850i badges look amazing with their black overlays on them, and yeah, the white one looks good as well with its new propeller badges. That white car actually was previously wrapped before. There'll be a shot right here, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. Come get some. Alright, so I just think I should have mentioned that this vehicle here, this 850i right here, was indeed a full body unwrap. It was wrapped a couple years back by us, and that wrap held fantastically. It was a Briardene. It was I think an argentic grey or something like that, but with a slightly larger flake than normal within the wrap. And then this was a full frontal matte PPF job, obviously matte PPF because of the matte paintwork, so that came out fantastic. Previous to this, it did have 3 pieces on here, so 1 piece here and then 1 small piece there and 1 small piece there. The reason for that was the foam was not large enough for this ridiculously big bonnet, but it's an awesome bonnet. So they ended up ordering hexis, they ended up ordering Expel, and that's larger, and that was able to cover the entire bonnet. Other than that, bonnet is covered, both front fenders and bumper, and now just recently the doors. That is why these door cards were off, and the side view mirrors were off as well, and they were just busy sorting that out. Now it's all sorted out. Shorty's in here cleaning up the interior and vacuuming. An awesome job on the floor there, and the car looks amazing now, and even better with the black propeller badges. No, and even better with the M850i badges on the rear, that with the black propeller badges.